mukbang. I already made it. I forgot to film because I was just like really hungry when I got home. And it's currently 1 a.m. I just came back from Angela's house. They went to the gym, but I am too tired. I went camping today, as I said in my previous videos, so I decided that I'm just going to take tonight to just kind of take it for myself, I guess. But yeah, I'm just going to mix my natto bowl. Ready? Bon apple teeth. Today I went to the mall, and then I went to Sephora, Brandy Melville, and Garage. And at Sephora, I got my Tower 28 spray. At Brandy, I got tank tops and a short. And then at Garage, I got a cute little going out top. At Angela's house, Shauna, Helen, and Angela made the infamous LA Calic bagels. It was actually very, very good. My first time trying it. But I still like my bagel and avocado my bacon and avocado bagels. It's just easier to make. I'm feeling very away from social. I haven't been on social media in a while. I post, but I don't scroll. Maybe I'll scroll today. So it's been like a week since I've scrolled on TikTok. But I've been into reading and podcasts recently. I think that's a little less brain rotty. But the June gloom is still glooming. It's okay. Maybe tomorrow will be better.